Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off email notification on your Cash App. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in the video description. As you look to the middle of your screen right there, you're going to see the Amazon deal, and you're going to see the Prime link right there, the Prime trial link that's going to be on the bottom right there. And I highly recommend this subscription because you can save a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is like a huge privilege to try something and cancel anytime that you consider. So I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to turn off email notification on your Cash App. First, we're gonna start by opening up the Cash App. So make sure you open your Cash App. Once you're on this main screen right here, look on the upper right hand corner where you're gonna see like a profile icon or a little picture or a circle with a person inside there. Make sure you tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're gonna give yourself here. And once you get on this page right here, screen, make sure that you select notifications. Make sure that you select notification right there, as you can see. And once you select notification, you're gonna get on this page right here. And make sure that you go on your email. You're gonna see your email right there. And on your email, on the left, there's a check mark right there. As you can see, there's a green check mark, green or white check mark inside there. Make sure that you tap on that. Once you tap it, you're gonna be like there won't be any check mark right there on your, as you can see, there's no any green color. Make sure there's no any green color in the box. And that's how you turn off email notification on your Cash App. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. So I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching the video.